Where are the big levers to get to net zero? The aim is clear. Keep global warming below 1.5 degrees Celsius. In Europe, we need to get to net zero emissions as quickly as possible. So, what are the most relevant levers to reduce emissions? What has been talked a lot about is electricity and industry. Rightly so, since these sectors have large shares in the total European emissions. But there are other sectors that are equally important. Buildings is one of them, being responsible for 21% of CO2 equivalents. Those 21% can be cut by energy-efficient heating and appliances and by retrofitting the building stock. And there is, of course, transport. Driving, flying, freight and so on sum up to 28% of emissions. Solutions to this include more efficient vehicles, electric drives and biofuels. Agriculture makes up around 11% of European emissions, partially through fertilizer use. Climate-smart crop and livestock production and feeding insects to livestock could considerably reduce emissions from agriculture. Yes, in all these sectors there are great savings opportunities through technical innovations. But they will most probably not get us to zero emissions. Additionally, we should think about getting already emitted CO2 out of the atmosphere again by adjusting how we use land. Reforestation, setting areas aside for biodiversity protection, or capturing and sequestrating, or using carbon. These methods, however, have their limitations too. In order to get to net zero, the technical measures described so far have to be completed by people behaving differently. The least emitting home is actually a small one that is not cooled to Nordic temperatures in summer. Buying the fanciest electric car cannot compete with boarding a train or moving less in general. Shifting from intensive to agroecologic food production without any diet shifts and food waste reduction would result in deforestation to expand pasture land or in increasing imports. Efforts in all sectors are necessary to decarbonize Europe. Many of the most important levers are non-technical. In addition to exploiting all the technical innovation potential, cultural innovation is also needed to change key behaviors. We have the colors, so let's paint pictures of the future.